Adding a new user to the Dynamics 365 interface can be a confusing and time-consuming process, especially when adding security roles and you're not familiar with the platform. If you're struggling to add new users to Dynamics 365, you're not alone. You've already gone through and added the user through the Office 365 administration portal. You've added the Dynamics user license to the new user. However, you're still getting an error message when the user tries to log in. This is most likely caused by the fact you didn't give them a security role. The good news is I'm here to help. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step so that you can add a security role to Dynamics 365 quickly and easily. Whether you're adding one user or several, we've got you covered. So let's get started. All right, you're going to start by navigating to the adminpowerplatform.microsoft.com. You're going to navigate to Environments. Then you're going to navigate to the environment where you want to set the user's security profile. In this case, we're going to go to Customer Video Content, which is technically my production environment for these videos. So we're going to select it. Then we're going to navigate to the word Settings. Then we're going to navigate to Users and Permissions. Then come all the way down to Users. Within the users, you're going to search for a user. In this case, I'm just going to search for a generic user that I use, Sales Manager. Select Sales Manager. Navigate up to Manage Security Roles. Click Manage Security Roles. You'll see a list of security roles that have been applied to the user. In this case, we're going to go through and add, we want to give them the activity feed role. I'm going to give them basic user, and we're going to come down and we're going to give them sales manager, in this case, sales system access. And we're just going to take off some of these other security roles from another demonstration that I did. We've applied the security roles, hit save, and you've now successfully added a security role to the user.